Guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to check out the market for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we'll be doing this together right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis before you dive into it, okay? And if you love my content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family, okay? So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets, and of course everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, okay? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. So guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame, and of course I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So right from this support zone, it started an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag and the blue arrows. Got to this resistance zone, had a little pullback, went back up to break out above it, and of course it has got into a new resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will go back on downtrend, okay? So this is still buying at the moment, even though this might not be for a very long time, in case it's unable to break out above the resistance zone, okay? So the next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500, and of course this had been on uptrend, got to this region, came back again, and of course went back up to break out above this resistance zone, and of course it got to a new resistance zone around there, and of course it started selling right from there, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course it went back on buy trend. So if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend and try out this support region again, okay? So this is very important, okay? So for now, this is still buying. This might not be for long also, in case it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay guys, the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 actually started an uptrend right from this region, and of course it is still buying at the moment, okay? So it's most likely for it to get to this region. If it breaks out above this, then definitely it should get to this level, but for now let's see it get into this region first, okay? So this is very important, okay? So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out crash 500. This is crash 500. Crash 500 played around this channel for a very long time, broke out above it around there, and of course buying towards the resistance zone, and if it breaks out above that, it will keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend and try out this support zone, okay? So this is still buying at the moment. This might not be for long in case it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Next asset is going to be volatility 75. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this region, had a little pullback, but went back up to break out above it. It has gotten to this resistance zone, was unable to go above that, so it started a downtrend from there, but we need it to break out below this particular support region, okay? So once it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more, then it should be getting to this particular spot, okay? So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below that support zone. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.